Okay, sweetie. Who's that?
Mama.
That's Mama, huh? Who's that?
That.
Mm-hmm. That is Dad. Who's that?
Baby.
Baby, you're right. That's Alexander, baby Logan.
Mm.
Who's in the picture here? Who's that?
Mama.
That's right.
That.
Who else? Who's that? Do you know who that is?
That.
It's Grandma. Grandma's holding the baby. Oh, who's that? Who's in the picture?
Point to each one.
Who's that?
That.
Yeah, who's that?
That.
That's Grandpa. See, there's Grandpa Logan. Grandpa. Do you know who that is? That's Grandma Josie. How about that? Do you know who that is? That's Uncle Rob. Uncle Rob. There's Uncle Steve. What's that?
Flowers.
Right, it's flowers. Flowers. You know what that is? Hmm?
The manda.
It's bread.
Man.
Mana? It's bread, sweetie.
Mama.
What's that?
Mama.
That's banana, huh?
The bread was kind of shaped like a banana.
Oh. I don't know.
Apple.
No, they're oval. What's that?
Egg.
Egg, you're right. Egg. What's that?
Egg.
It's a potato. Oh, look, do you know what that is?
Apple.
Oh, it's close. Those are peaches. They're like apples, kind of.
Apple.
You know what that is?
That.
What is it?
Lemon.
Oh, she's trying to say it.
Lemon. Lemon. Oh, what's that?
Bean.
That's right, green bean. You just ate some green beans, didn't you?
Oh, she's trying to eat them. Yeah, eat them up, baby.
Yummy.
Grab them and eat them.
You like green beans? Come on, sweetie. Next page.